The true. Um.
Everyone.
Yeah, any sandwich can be turned into a wrap now.
It's Justin at Potbelly. Any sandwich can be a wrap.
Introducing new Potbelly wraps. All bold Potbelly flavor you crave now rolled up in a wall.
Ralph.
Caught him in 4K.